It's a 2014 Lexus GS350. Its luxury and aggression will dominate your senses. This GS350 is performance art at maximum speed. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, auto-dimming mirrors, power telescoping steering column, V6 engine, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Automobile raves. Step into the GS350 and every surface you lay your hand on is made of a high quality or soft touch material. Luxury awaits in every Lexus. Take it for a test drive today.
Experience luxury at its highest level. Conveniently located at 16100 Wayzata Boulevard in Wayzata, Minnesota.